have been making pound cakes for so many years. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making okay, let's see if I can say it. A butter pecan or pecan, whichever way you want to say it. I'm going to say pecan. A butter pecan, a butter pecan sour cream pound cake loaf with glaze. Did I get it all? Should I try to say it again? I don't think so. Let's get started. Okay, we are going to need to preheat our oven to 300 degrees. This is one of my favorite things to make, and we're going to glaze it. We need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Just throw it right in our bowl. We need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, not powder. 2 sticks of unsalted butter. We need 3 cups of sugar. We're pouring it all in. We need 3/4 cup of sour cream. We need 6 large eggs. I love cracking eggs. There's just something about it. Makes you feel like a real baker when you crack the eggs. Looks good too. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. I'm going to use up my hand mixer. I think those 6 eggs look so pretty in here. I'm going to pick up the speed just a little. This doesn't take but just a minute to do. I'm going to scrape down the sides. And now we're going to be adding 1 cup of chopped pecans. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just going to fold these right in. This looks really, really good. You can make this a pound cake if you would like, because it is a lot of batter, but we are making loaf pound cakes. We have 2 12 by 4.5 inch loaf pans, and these are perfect to make a pound cake. So I like to use these longer pans, but if you don't have them, just use 2 9 by 5 baking pans. I'm going to spray it with Baker's Joy. It's quick and easy, and I have some in these loaf pans. We're going to get these in the loaf pans. Make sure they're pretty even. I'm going to get my 2 loaf pound cakes in the oven and 300 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Let's get started on that glaze that we're going to put on this pound cake. Let's already have our glaze done, so I don't have to do anything else. I can clean up and just pour this glaze on it, and we're good. I'm going to be putting in 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons. I think I'm going to, since I've added that little bit of citrus, I think I'm going to add some orange juice. I think that would be great, an orange glaze with the butter pecan. I think it will be great. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of orange juice. 1, 2, 3. We're just going to whisk this around. This is so simple and so easy. Might need a little bit more powdered sugar. So maybe 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of orange juice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And this is our consistency. We're going to set this aside. When they come out, we're going to drizzle it, and we're going to eat pound cake. They are completely done. They are gorgeous. You can see the little pecans popping up. Oh my goodness. Okay, so our cakes are cooled, and I'm going to turn them out. Oh, look at that pound cake. Oh my goodness. That. Oh yeah. There we go. Beautiful. They're not too hot on the bottom. There's no cracking. I'm going to let these cool for a few minutes. I'm going to get one of them glazed and I'm going to try it. I think this loaf pound cake will fit perfect on it. That's so beautiful. Now we're going to drizzle this thing. That is beautiful. Now we're going to sprinkle some pecans. I chopped up about a half a cup. I'm just going to sprinkle them right on top. This is my butter pecan This is my butter pecan loaf pound cake. I'm going to get it right. This is my loaf pound cake. Oh my gosh, that's a mouthful. This is going to be good. It is so, so good. You're going to love it.